बृहस्पतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वं जिगातु भेषजं शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शञ्चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। In the list of scriptures, we have a category called Subhashitas. There is no one person created all these Subhashitas. Not a single is an author for all these Subhashitas. But this is one among them. Please repeat after me. Prithivyam Trini Ratnani Jalamannam Subhashitam Mudhaihi Pashanakhandeshu Ratnasamjñā Vidhiyate Prithivyam Trini Ratnani Jalamannam Subhashitam Mudhaihi Pashanakhandeshu Ratnasamjñā Vidhiyate. This is one of the Subhashitas. There is a book called Subhashita Ratna Bhandagara. If you do not find any reference for a few of the shlokas, this one gives many shlokas, and all of them are not written by one. So it is Sangraha. Sangraha is collection. As we chant Bhakti Yoga Shloka Sangraha, this is not one chapter. All the shlokas are not belonging to one chapter, which is called Bhakti Yoga, but it is Bhakti Yoga Shloka Sangraha, collection of shlokas which are related to Bhakti Yoga. Alike, Subhashitas are gathered at one book that is called Subhashita Ratna Bhandagara. Bhandagara is a big store of all the Ratnas, all the gems. And this Subhashita Ratna Bhandagara gives many shlokas. And one of the shlokas is this. Prithivyam Trini Ratnani Jalam Annam Subhashitam Mudhaihi Pashanakhandeshu Ratnasamjñā Vidhiyate. We consider generally few of them as Ratna. What is Ratna? A precious stone or a gem is called Ratna in Sanskritam generally. Mudhaha are ignorant people who do not have the wisdom. They consider precious stones as actual precious. They give importance to those stones, jewelries, the precious stones or gems or any ornament. But what this Subhashita says, Prithivyam, on this earth, on the surface of earth, there are three Ratnas. Actually, there are three Ratnas. There are three gems. Which are those? Prithivyam Trini Ratnani, Jalam, Annam and Subhashita. Jalam is the water, Annam is food, not rice. Okay? Jalam, Annam, then Subhashita. Subhashita is the greatest word, the words of wisdom. That is Subhashita. Subhashitam. Bhashitam is spoken. Su is well. That is precious words or three Ratnas. And do we know the importance of these three Ratnas, which are actually Ratnas? Jalam, Annam and Subhashitam. If you have interest in watching movies, the modern movies, one of them is the Book of Eli. Okay, you might have watched that. If you see that movie, you can observe the importance of water, how people are craving for water. In India, it's plentifully available. In some other countries, it's available so much. You can use as you want. But the importance of water can be understood by some of the scenes of that movie. And in the whole area on the surface of earth, there is no water. Imagine there is no water in the next moment. Can we live on this earth? No. It's impossible. So Jalam is one of the Ratnas. We have to realize the importance of water. And the second one, Annam. Annam is not only food. Food for whom? It's not only food for us. Only not for the human beings. In Taittiriya Upanishad, there is a definition for Anna. Adyate atticha bhutani tasmadannam taduchyata iti. Whichever is eaten by something is called Anna, and which eats, that also is called Anna. So imagine, or you consider which is not eaten or which is not eating. Everything is eaten and everything eats. Sometimes the brains of the lecturers are eaten by the students. Okay? So brain is also Anna. Sometimes the minds are Anna, because mind is also eaten by something else. So there is nothing which is not Anna. Everything is Anna. So in the first step, initial step of Bhrigu, in Taittiriya Upanishad, Bhrugurvaivārunihi varunam pitaram upasasara adhihi bhagavo brahmeti tasma edat provacha. He said, see, Bhrigu asked, what is Brahma in this world? And he said, no, I will not tell you what Brahma is. You go and find out yourself and come back and tell me what is the answer. Then he went for the first time and he came back with an answer that the entire world is maintained by Anna. Is it not true? It is. It is the truth. So initial truth itself in the scriptures is realization of the matter or anything which is in the world is maintained by Anna. So Anna is food. This is also, this desk is also Anna, this body, physical body is also Anna. The entire world is Anna. Annadhyeva khalvimani bhutani jayante annena jatani jivanti annam prayantyabhisamvishanti. So he realized this. But what is the modern science says? Oh, this entire creation is made up of the atoms, subatomical particles. What is this? This is nothing but Anna. The final destination of modern science is nothing but the initial stages of Upanishadic teachings. So, first time he realized, oh, this entire world is nothing but Anna. So, Jalam, Annam, how precious the Anna is, we cannot waste the Anna which is served into our plates. So, we can discuss it again, how important Anna is. Jalam, Annam, then Subhashitam. Subhashitam, great words. The words of wisdom. There are words which are uselessly used and there is no purpose. We should analyze our own daily routine. How long we speak without any aim. How long we spend our energy in speaking. Having with some purpose is fine, but how far we are utilizing our energy in speaking. So that is not Subhashita, that becomes Durbhashita. Having no aim, having no purpose, using the energy in speaking. That is Durbhashita. But Subhashita is very, very precious. These shlokas like Prithivyam Trini Ratnani, Jalamannam Subhashitam, these Subhashitas make us to be aware of the creation, what to do, what not to do, and how should we follow. And the other Subhashita. प्रारभ्यते न खलु विघ्नभयेन नीचैः प्रारभ्य विघ्नविहताः विरमन्ति मध्याः विघ्नैः पुनः पुनरपि प्रतिहन्यमानाः प्रारब्धम् उत्तमजनाः न परित्यजन्ति. One of the Subhashitas categorizes all the human beings. The way Patanjali also says Mrudu, Madhya and Adhimatra. This Subhashita also says there are Uttama, Madhyama and Adhama. These are the people. Who are the Uttamas? Adhamas, the Subhashita explains first. Prarabhyate nakhalu vignabhayena nichaihi. There are people who are Adhamas who will never start something because they have fear of, oh, the hurdle may come, some disturbance may come. So I will not start at all. If I start, there are problems. If I don't start, there are no problems. So those are Adhamas. Considering the effects of the forthcoming problems or hurdles in the path, they will never start. Those are Madhyamas. Prarabhyate na khalu vignabhayena nichaihi prarabhya viramanti madhyaha. They start the work, but in between some problem comes, they will stop. Prarabhya vignavihataha viramanti madhyaha. Then those are the Uttamas. Vignaihi punah punarapi pratihanyamanaha. They are hampered, they are disturbed, they are troubled by all the disturbances. But prarabdham uttama janaha na parityajanti. So this is one of the Subhashitas. If you go to that book of Subhashita Ratna Bhandagara, you will find thousands of shlokas like this. These are just guidelines to our life. So considering these three, Prithivyam Trini Ratnani, Jalam, Annam, Subhashitam, Mudhaihi, Pashana Khandeshu, Ratna Samjñā Vidhiyate. Knowing this Subhashita, we should start giving much importance for these three, Jalam, Annam and Subhashitam. Wherever you find some Subhashita, you try to understand and try to implement. So today onwards, we will think about it again and again, this Subhashita. Subhashitas can also be mantras. What is mantra? Mananatu trayate iti mantraha. You repeatedly ponder upon it again and again, and it can give an extraordinary ability to think every day in day-to-day life. Sit erect, close your eyes, and see that we consider these three, Jalam, Annam and Subhashitam, and we try to protect, we try to preserve and reserve for the next generation. Adapt Namaskar Mudra. Close with Shanti Mantra.